Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get daily role in Spark of Romance event in Heartopia. So in Heartopia is currently collaborating with Pleasant Code and Big Wolf, and in this collab there's a special event called Spark of Romance like this. And in this event, you need to claim or randomize your daily role, then link with friends to collect lean signal points. As your points level up, you can unlock different event rewards like this. So how do you get your daily role? First, just approach the totem. The totem is located at Whale Mountain, and once you arrive, just simply tap the totem and you will automatically receive your daily role like this. And at this time I got this role, Paddy. And after that you will also get to others daily quests, which are to obtain two types of link signals, circular and square. And if you want to get both signal types at the same time, just make sure to check the link informations on the left side. To obtain both, you need to link with the roles shown above those two signal icons. In my case, I need to link with the Wesley and TB to get two signals. And this step how to link easily I will explain in another video, so just check another video to watch the tutorial. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.